Okay, time is up. Let's proceed with test 3, please. That is good for 10 minutes. 10 minutes starts now. Yes.
Oo naman din test teacher.
No, you will just identify whether it is physical, phase, or chemical change. You just write physical, phase, or chemical. Wala nang change. Pwede na yan.
What's the case, teacher?
Nalaya.
Ha?
Nalaya, napulok.
Nailaya daw na pulo. Ayun! Kasi mong hot sir ay.
Asan?
Ano?
Hot water?
Oh, tanawa ang W. Nawala si A.
Asan?
Number 5, sir. Ayun! Guys, so.
Hot